raining. There's a lot of pollen on the ground. That is a lot of pollen. Like, Jesus Christ. We live next to a creek now. That's cool. We got a bigger trampoline. New vehicle too. That's the gazebo. Got a new house. This is actually I showed you like my bedroom in the second previous house, but that video should be deleted, so you don't know what the old house looks like, and I can't describe it to you because I'm not that good at describing things. We got a new lawnmower too, so it said riding lawnmower types. As you can see, I attempted to mow the lawn here. The lawnmower we already had it did not work. It just kept malfunctioning. By the end, it ended up overheating and I had to go inside. So now we got a riding lawnmower. It's been a while since I uploaded here. Got new headphones now too. Also got an ankle brace. We have a zip line here. I'm thinking we're probably gonna set it up over there. Got a propane tank. You could probably tell that the audio is a lot better because I'm using the microphone from the headphones. Get some frisbee golf. And that's where we are. Probably should not have shown that, but this channel's small enough, nobody's gonna care. The only people who do care are gonna be my relatives. So, come to enjoy the smaller things. Because I'm starting to run out of big things to enjoy. Getting the opportunities to enjoy the big things and new things like frisbee golf. I completely destroyed my brothers at it. Oh, look at that. Almost all the pollen's washed down that little stream there. Thinking about getting a GoPro. Maybe record me swimming. I'm a pretty good swimmer. Maybe even go fishing. I actually technically caught my first two fish. They ended up getting away, but I did catch them. Technically, my first catch was a stingray, so those were my first fish that I caught. Unless the manta ray is biologically considered a fish. But I doubt it. In fact, I'm pretty sure most people consider it somehow a type of shark. I doubt it. I'd say it's its own type of species. Can't really think of any sharks. That'd be like one. I live next to a cow pasture. Got a bunch of cows. One of them sometimes ends up in our yard. One of them. Got a shed. Got a really big garage. Almost as big as our house. I mean, it's really big. In fact, we have like the mats set up in there for us to wrestle on. Got a bigger TV. It's got a fireplace. Probably can't tell because I have to go inside, and I'd rather stand up here. I'm bigger, almost as big as a dad. Well, might make a second video. Sitting out here in the rain on the porch. Currently, I don't really have anything else to talk about. Oh yeah, back in the Boy Scouts. That's something I could talk about. Maybe later I could show you the lawnmower. See ya. Things have gotten a lot more chaotic though. I just want you to know that. Parents have definitely gotten a bit more aggressive in their parenting. I don't like it.